So guys, we're gonna do the oil change for a 2012 Ram 4.7. So we're going to need a container. Okay. We're gonna open the oil. Okay. And now we're gonna drain the oil. So going down here, and we're gonna remove this bolt right there. So I think that one is number 13. I'm not sure. 13 millimeters. But I recommend to use 1/2. There you go. We open the container. Let me try not to get oil on my hands. Try to do it really quick. Well, I got a little bit. All right, so we're gonna wait till drains all of it, and then we need to remove the oil filter that is right there. Okay, it's draining. So now it's around 10 minutes. But this is fine. I just put it back. There you go. Right. And there we go. So I guess the oil filter, I'm gonna get it from the top. I use this tool to the filter, to remove the filter. So you can see from there. Get it on my hand right here between these lines there. Yes. Okay. I turn it. As you can see, it's spinning. And now here's my hand. Now we're going down. There you go. So now we're gonna try to remove it. Sorry guys for so here is the oil filter. We'll drain it. Alright, so we got the new filter. We got the oil. So the filter is extra good for pH 2. So this one, let me see, this one lasts, it says 2,000-mile protection. So usually I do my oil change from this truck right here. I usually do it for every 5,000 miles. So the only thing you have to do in this one is to lubricate the O-ring, the seal. So I'm gonna get some oil from a clean oil. I use. There you go. Okay. So before you install the oil filter, you have to make sure to clean the area where the oil filter housing. There you go. So clean it like that, and make sure is the oil O-ring is in the oil filter. Okay. So now try to put it back. A little tricky. I think it's always tricky. Okay, so I need my other hand to install it, so I'll be right back. As you can see, so now we got in there. So only with your hand you're gonna tie it down. And one more. Okay, this is good. Okay. So now we're gonna add 5 quarts of oil, high mileage synthetic, and that's it, guys. This one only use 5 quarts of oil. All right, guys. So you add the 5 quarts of oil, and then put it on the side. And then we crank it. Hear the noise. Now we're gonna check for oil for leaks. Check down there and right there. Okay, so we don't have no leaks at all. And now we're good to go. Alright guys, thank you.